leftover rice, no problem. Today we're going to make the most delicious and soothing dish from the leftover rice. สวัสดีค่ะ Amazing people! Every time when I volunteer to serving 150 to 200 people at the retreat center, I always cook this dish because it's hard for us to predict how much the rice that each day people are going to eat it. However, this is the most wonderful time for me because I can create another dish from the leftover rice. When you wake up in the morning, the weather is so cold and then you have something like a hot and warm into your body. This is not only a remedy or soothing, but also it's a high nutrition. But the most important is it's super easy to make it. You can finish within 5 minutes. You can add any kind of meat or even vegetarian dish. This is look like a sponge, so you want to make sure that you get rid of all the water. And I always use shiitake soaking water to fertilize my tree. Thin slice. You can use any kind of the mushroom or the meat. Want a good chunk of the garlic. Want to boil the water first. I'm going to add a couple of the dried cabbage to help the soup is more tasty. You can use a vegetable or chicken broth as well. Some oil, we're going to stir fry the garlic first. Garlic is nice and golden brown. Got a nice toasty garlic. You know, sometimes it's hard for me to filming and cooking at the same time, so the color is not perfect, but it's good enough. We continue with the mushroom. Many people like to ask me why we need to stir fry the shiitake mushroom first. We want to break the chemical and bring out more aroma from the shiitake mushroom out by stir fry with the oil. I will add some soy sauce. Add the mushroom into the soup now. Add the rice. If you are allergic for the soy sauce, you can use the salt or tamari. You want to cook it until the rice looks soft. See here? It's absorbed a lot of water already. The texture is supposed to be soft. And look at our mushroom. Some type of the rice is absorb more water than another. Feel free to add 1/4 cup of water if necessary. We add green onion. Sprinkle with more green onion and then garlic. Is that simple? Okay, I'm going to add some black pepper. Smell garlicky and mushroom. Oh my gosh. It's warm and hot into my body, like every sensation is go to here. You should try it. I hope you enjoy the super simple and delicious soothing soup and see you next time.